Frank with IceAge Performance, and today we're going to be comparing our bomber style rail and our classic version, the differences between the two, and how one can be more beneficial for your riding style, sled build, whether you're novice or an advanced rider, like to hit jumps. We're going to break it down because we get a lot of questions from customers who ask the difference between the two, the weight, and the features, and we're hoping to influence the decision-making process and make it easier for you to make a decision when purchasing new rails for your snowmobile. So we'll start off with our bomber style. This is pretty much what IceAge was founded upon. It's our bread and butter. It's the bomber style rail, our strongest version, and comes with a 2-year, 50% off replacement warranty. One could say it's more catered to those who go big, big jumps, case landings, landing off camber, things that would traditionally bend a stock set of rails. These will stay straight and hold up to a lot of abuse. And it's not to say that it's only catered to that sort of rider. A novice rider or maybe a tree rider can benefit from the bomber rail because of early season stumps and rocks that are underneath the snow or objects just hidden below the snow's surface. The bomber style will hold up to those hits as well. So you don't need to be a big jumper. If you just want peace of mind that you're not going to run into any trouble during your ride day, bomber style would be the way to go. Moving on to the classic rail. Still going to be stronger than stock. And the difference with this is the cutouts that we put in these rails. And that makes it a lot lighter. Because of the unique extrusion design that we use that's proprietary to IceAge, for both the bomber and the classic, it's gonna be a lot stronger than stock. So the classic rail is still stronger than your factory. And it is gonna be catered maybe towards someone who likes the aesthetics a little bit better. They like the cutouts, or they're building a lightweight sled. It might have internal titanium parts, titanium can, lightweight hood, things like that. I may push a customer toward a classic rail, and just try to coach them in that direction to pair well with that sort of scenario or sled build. We get a lot of questions from customers as well about the weight difference. We're gonna get these on scales and show you what we come up with. Bomber style rails, throwing these on the scale, fully disassembled, no hardware Hyfax on these, and they are gonna show a total weight of about 13 pounds for a total weight on the bomber style rail. Next up, we'll show the classics and how those compare to the bomber. So again, fully disassembled, no hardware or Hyfax. Gonna throw these on here. And that's showing a weight total of about 10 pounds. So there's a few pounds difference between the bomber and the classic style. It's not gonna be the same numbers for a 146 bomber classic or a 175 bomber classic. Those are different lengths, so they'll have more material removed or more left behind. So just a general comparison between the two, even like a Skidoo 154 and a Polaris 155, like those two won't be the same because the profile is completely different. They're not the same rail. But we hope that this helps to influence your decision-making process when purchasing the rails. But if you have any additional questions that we didn't cover in this video, please give us a shout. We're happy to help, and we'll catch you next time.